Hey, Brian from Garagewell Hall. I have an amazing product for you to check out. So let's go. Okay, so this is everything that comes in the box. So you get a pair of gloves. These things are absolutely awesome. They are 3M Thinsulate, so they are super warm and they are touchscreen friendly. And then you get your brush. So this angles out this way. So you got 3 different angles they can set it up for. So you got your brush on this side, you get your squeegee on this side, which is pretty awesome. So after you get the snow off, you can squeegee any water that is there. And then this hooks in like this, and that telescopes out. So you get a really long extension on that. And then on this end, this is where you set up your ice scraper. So it is totally compact and portable. You can take it apart quick and easy. And then let's go outside and see how it works. Super easy. Clean your car off quick and easy, no matter how heavy the snow is. Anyway, Brian from Garagewell Hall, thanks for watching and be safe out there.